It's Tuesday, April 23rd, 2019. Bitcoin prices have broken out. We'll take a look at our indicators to see the verification of where it's going. And at the end of the video, we'll talk about the big altcoin uncoupling. This is the 24 hours of Bitcoin. You can pause the video to read the disclaimer or click on a link in the description down below. Here we can see that Bitcoin prices are on the move right now on the 4-hour bars. And as we've been watching for the past few episodes, we're watching for the RSI to tick higher as prices were breaking higher. It took a little bit, they pulled back, but we did see exactly what we're looking for, as the RSI isn't even yet as strong as it was before. So I'm expecting more from the RSI and higher prices from Bitcoin. We were also anticipating that the on-balance volume would break higher than these levels as the prices were breaking out. And sure enough, this had to happen, and there we are. There's the volume that came in to move prices higher, and we can see that it hasn't flattened out and pulled back. So I'm anticipating more from this. Now if we go on to the MACD indicator, as we were anticipating, we were looking for this crossover and stronger histogram as prices were breaking out of our chart formation. So we had a clear chart formation, and we had clear evidence to look for in 3 different indicators to back us up on whether or not we should be taking a trade on this. The surprise thing for me, because I was holding mostly alts, is that Bitcoin prices have been really crushing the alts right now. And essentially, Bitcoin and altcoins took a large hammer and clobbered me in the head here, saying that, look, this is the time to pay attention to this change in movement. We can also see just a clear trend line break right here out of a obvious top formation, and the moving averages cross over. So there is plenty of all of the trading indicators to say that this is a top formation just after this big clobber happened. And it wasn't just in one market. We can see this occurring in several different markets at the same time now, where we can see Stellar has broken down past some key historical lows. If we pull this back, we can see that versus Bitcoin, Stellar hasn't been these prices for a long time. And there's still a ways for it to go. It could go down another 30% from where it is now should Bitcoin prices be going higher. And I always overlay my prices with Bitcoin in the background this way, so that I can always take a relative look at where altcoin prices are versus Bitcoin. So if you're interested in more of this kind of analysis of cryptocurrencies, be sure to come and join us on our Discord chat. We talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies all day long. There's a link down below this video. And click on thumbs up, click on subscribe. We'll go through this in the next while. Let me zoom out here and do a longer term prediction. And I will use a green arrow to say that I do believe, without much fighting and worry, prices will make their way up here. Not this fast, not this time frame, and not just in a straight line like this. But in the next couple weeks, we're going to see bounces off the $92 to $9,400 level. And there's no way to know, of course, if anywhere along this way it's going to hit some resistance and do something different. So you have to have a trading plan that lets you know when you're going to get out of a trade, and not just follow along an arrow on a screen like this. And yet all of the indicators are giving me this idea. And should that happen, then the alts are going to either be really crushed back, or there's going to be a period where the alts are going to be recovering. They're going to make a bottom formation where they are, and they're going to start turning around and going along up with Bitcoin. So tune in, subscribe, and check out our other channel for more information on our cryptocurrencies. We'll see you on our Discord chat. Good to have you here. Thanks again for signing in, and we'll see you on the next episode of the 24 hours of Bitcoin.